Hello guys, today in this live stream I will be talking about that how basically you can change the system bars such as top bar, action bar and bottom navigation bar background color inside your Java Android application. So let me just show you. Basically this is the application here. It's a very basic Android application here which I have built. You can see in Android Studio. So if I run this application right here, basically on my mobile phone, this will something look like this. You will see that it will have these three action bars. This is basically called as the status bar that you see in dark blue color, and then basically this is called as action bar that you see right here below that, and then at bottom side you will see this is called as the navigation bar, where you can navigate to the next activity, to the previous activity, like this. So we will try to basically change the background color of that, and also we will be trying to change the visibility of these three widgets out there. So first I will target this action bar that you see right here. It has a title here. You will see that, guys, you will see action bar project. Now I will be showing you how to basically hide this action bar. So how we can hide this action bar that you see right here. It's very easy. Inside your Java code here, we have basically a method here which is supported by devices which are using the Android SDK above 30, and this method is called as get action bar. So now if you invoke this method, and this contains a basically a method, guys, which is called as hide. And now what will happen, guys, if you just execute this method, what will happen? If I now click apply changes, you will see basically it will apply the changes, and now you will see that if I now open this application once again, you will see that, guys, that action bar is gone. Let me see here, some problem has taken place. Let me just see. So I am just showing you, oh sorry, this needs to be get support action bar, not get action bar. You need to write get support action bar, and then you need to invoke this method hide. So what it will do, guys, it will hide the action bar that you are seeing right here, hide the action bar. And all the source code, guys, that I'm showing you is given in the description of the video. I've written a complete blog post in my video, in my website. The link is given in the description of the video. You can check out this blog post. Step-by-step example code is also given. So basically, guys, now if I restart this application, if I click apply changes, you will now see this will start this application, and now you will see that action bar is no longer be seen here. In most of the applications, we don't need the action bar, we need to hide that action bar. So with that single line of code, you can basically hide that action bar. So you can see get support action bar, and we are invoking this method called as hide. So this will actually hide the action bar for us. And now, guys, I will be showing you how basically you can change the background color of the action bar. Let's suppose you don't need to hide it, you need to change the action bar background color. So what we can do is that we can simply say get support action bar, and then we can simply say here, we can invoke a method here which is called as set background drawable, and inside this, guys, we can pass new color drawable, and here we can simply pass color dot parse color, and here you need to pass your hexadecimal code, guys, or you can simply pass yellow. So this will simply change the color to yellow, guys. You will see that you can provide any color of your choice. If I now apply changes, you will now see this will change. You can see the background color of the action bar to yellow color, and basically in this way I can provide any color of my choice. If I provide green color, you will see that it will change to green color. You will see that. So you can provide any color of your choice. You can provide red also. Just apply changes. You can see that. And basically this is really important whenever you are developing your design of your app. Whenever you want to design it accordingly, you need to choose your colors accordingly. And now I will be showing you, guys, how you can basically choose a gradient color, not a very color. You can even pass this hexadecimal code as well. This is also acceptable. So inside double quotes you can pass here FFF, this is stand for white. And now if I apply changes, you will see it will change to white color, I think. So you need to say FFFFF. So 6 digit you need to pass. So if you once again run this, so now you can see it will change to white color. And similarly guys, you can change to 0000000. So this one is for black color. If I again apply changes, you will see it will change to black color. You may say that. You can see that. And now I will be showing you guys how you can apply a gradient color to the action bar. So let's suppose you don't need a regular color, you need a gradient color. So how you can do that? It's very easy. Basically you need to go to your drawable folder here. Inside your drawable folder, you need to basically create a file. Let me just again show you. Just create a new file and select drawable resource file. And here you need to select, basically you can just give any name of your choice. I will give as gradient underscore background. So this will be gradient background.xml, and inside the code section guys, we will write this code. So I have given this code in the description of the video, my blog post. You can get all the source code. So you will see this is basically the gradient background. It is taking two colors and it is making a gradient out of it. In the right hand side, you will see the preview of this gradient. You can choose any two colors of your choice to which you want to make the gradient. You will see this is basically the result of the gradient here. If you want to apply it, and basically I can choose any. You can also change the angle as well if you change the angle accordingly. And now we can apply this gradient guys. It's very easy. What we can do, main activity.js. So what we can do in order to apply this gradient, it's very simple. We will simply say here, this time we need to say that we need to, first of all, we will store the reference of the action bar here. So we will simply say that action bar, and then we will say action bar and is equal to get support action bar. First of all, we will get the reference, and then we will call a method here which is called as set background, a drawable, and then we will get the resources. We will say get resources, and inside this we will call this method guys, which is get drawable, and inside this we will pass that gradient r.drawable gradient background. So we write like this because it is present inside the drawable folder. So that's why r.drawable gradient underscore background. And now if you run this application guys, so what will happen? If you run this, we need to terminate this application first of all, and now you will see basically it will start this, and now you will see the gradient background. So now the action bar has a gradient background attached to it. So in this way guys, you can also attach a gradient background. Any two colors you may choose, whichever two colors you like. You can paste your hexadecimal code here. Let's suppose I choose another different color, 67. So you may say it is automatically, you will see that it is changing it. You will see that if I apply changes, so now you will see the gradient will change here. You will see that. So in this way guys, you can change it to a gradient color. And now I will be showing you guys how you can change this text that is appearing right here inside the action bar. Let's suppose you want to your own app name. So what we can do is that it's very simple. We have a method out there which allows you to do that. After you do this, we have a method here which is called as set action bar, set title. So basically you can set a title here. Let's suppose MP4 to MP3. So if you refresh, now you will see your title will be changed here. You will see MP4 to MP3. So this is basically the text of the action bar has been changed here. So you can manipulate the text here according to your own app. And we also have a second method which allows you to add a subtitle as well. So we have the subtitle as well method. So we will say set subtitle. So you can say this is Android app. So we can simply run this, and now you will also see this is Android app. So basically this is a subtitle text which is added automatically below the title of the action bar like this. In most of the situations we don't need the subtitle, so we will eliminate this, so we don't need this. And now guys, I will be showing you how basically you can add a icon to your action bar. It's very simple how we add the action bar icon. So if you just want to add the icon as well, so you will say action bar dot set display home as enabled. So you need to true, you just make it true, and then we will have this method guys which is called as set icon. So here you need to pass the icon. So we have this icon available to us, IC launcher background. This is the icon that we are using here. You will see IC launcher background. If I show you, this is icon. You can use all just your own image, whatever you want. If I refresh it, you will now see this will add an icon here. If I refresh here, we need to terminate this app first of all. Just refresh. So this will basically add a back icon, but we need to add this icon. So for adding this icon guys, it's very simple. I think we need to remove this set title, I think. Let me just remove this and refresh this application. And so action bar project, let me just see guys what is the problem here. All the source code guys that I'm using here is given in the description of the video, my blog post. So basically you can watch that, you can read that blog post. So now you can see that guys, it has added this icon here. You will see that this is the icon which is added to the action bar, and this can be your own logo of your app. You can attach your logo. This can be your own logo as well. So now I will be showing you guys how basically, first of all, we will uncomment this line so that this action bar will not be seen to the user. So now we will be showing you how to basically change the status bar, this top status bar that you're seeing right here. The time is shown here 7:32, and these basically are notification, internet. So this basically comes with the default blue color. We can change this blue color to any color of your choice. So how we can achieve this? It's very simple. So what we can do is that here, so we can say that let's suppose we have a method here which is exposed to us if you are using above SDK 29 and lollipop version of Android. This basically contains a method which is set status bar color, and here we can basically say this dot get resources, and inside this we can say get color, and inside this color we can pass the black color. So inside colors.xml, if I show you, we have got this color black, which we are storing this hexadecimal, which is FF000. And if I now refresh here guys, you will see the status color that you see right here is changed from blue to black. You will see that it is changed from blue to black. And similarly guys, we can even change this bottom navigations that you're seeing right here, these three icons that you're seeing for navigating, opening the app or closing the app. So we can also change the background of this color also. So it's very simple. So how we can achieve this? It's again go to main activity.java. So basically this have a method here which is again get window, and inside this guys, this contains a method get set status bar color. This time we need to call a different method guys. This time this will be set navigation bar color. So this time you need to set like this. So you will say context compact. This is the class we will use guys, context compact, and it contains a method which is get color. Again you will pass the same color r.color.black. So what it will do, guys, again we need to pass this reference here. So what it will do, again if I refresh this application, you will see basically this bottom navigation color is also changed here. So you can see it is also changed to black color. So now you will see that the design is looking far better as compared to the design that we saw at the starting of the video. So most of the applications use this design. They don't show the action bar, and they also change the status bar color to either black or gray color. And you can even change to a different color if you want to have. Let's suppose you can even change to a different color. Let's suppose this color. You may say, you can see that any color you can say, any color you can change it to. It totally depends upon you which color you want to have. Purple, any color. You can define it inside your XML file, and then you can see that. So it totally depends upon your look and design of your Android application that you're designing here. So in this way, guys, I've shown you all the methods of how you can change basically the system bar colors, such as action bar, status bar colors. All the source code is given in the description of the video, guys. I have written complete blog post. You can read more about it. And thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.